Hello friends, welcome to our class. Friends, in the last video we have studied the parts of speech or the list of parts of speech. But today we have to see the first part of speech, that is the noun. The first parts of speech, the noun. So what is noun? Noun is the name of a person. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Name of a person, place or thing is called the noun. For example, book, boy, animal, girl, school, etc. Friends, you can use all these examples in your own sentences too. Practice at home. Now, we have to see the classification of noun. Classification of noun. Classification of noun or the types of noun. Classification or types of noun. Nouns are classified into 5 types. There are 5 types of noun. First one is common noun, second proper noun, third collective noun, fourth material noun, and the last one is abstract noun. So, we have to learn all these types one by one. First is common noun. Common noun. Common noun, सामान्य नाम. सामान्यतः वापरण्यात येणारे जे नाम आहे, नाउन आहे, त्याला कॉमन नाउन म्हटलं जातं. द नेम्स ऑफ कॉमन थिंग्स. Names of common things are called common noun. For example, man, women, city, etc. So, these are the examples of common noun. Now, the second type is proper noun. Proper noun. Proper noun. विशेष नाम. Let's see the difference between common noun and proper noun. In common noun, the names of common things, but in proper noun, the specific name of a person, place or thing. Specific name or proper name. विशिष्ट असं नाव. Specific name or proper name of a person, place or thing are called proper noun. विशिष्ट असं नाव. Examples. Man. Man is common noun, but the name, specific name of man, that is Amol. Amol is the specific or proper name of man or boy is Amol. So, this is proper noun. Woman. Meena. Proper noun. Woman or girl is common noun, but Meena, Asha, Rekha are proper nouns. City. Selu. City is common noun, but Selu, Pune, proper noun. River, river common noun, but the name of river, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Kaveri are the examples of proper noun. Friends, one more thing to note you, that is proper noun. The first letter of proper noun should be capital. पहिलं लेटर जे आहे प्रॉपर नाउनचं ते नेहमी कॅपिटल असावं. फर्स्ट लेटर शुड बी कॅपिटल, बिकॉज this is the list of name or proper noun should be capital. First letter of proper noun should be capital. So this is proper noun and the difference between common noun and proper noun. You can use all these examples in sentence. For example, Amol is a good boy. Amol is a good boy. Amol is noun. Noun, but proper noun. Proper noun. Meena is so beautiful. Selu is a city. Pune is a big city. So you can use all these sentences and you can practice them at home. Now the third type. Third type is collective noun. Collective noun. समूहदर्शक नाम असं म्हटलं जातं. The names of a number of persons or place or things. Number of things are called collective noun. For example, family ही एकट्याची नसते, त्यात अनेक सदस्य असतात. फॅमिली, नेशन, bunch of flowers, team, class, etc. Now the fourth type of noun is material noun. Material noun. The names of materials now. The names of materials are called material nouns. For example, gold. This is the example of proper noun too. Gold, metal. So G should be capital. Silver, iron, brass, etc. So this is the list of material noun, the names of materials. Now the last one is abstract noun. Abstract noun. The names of quality, state and action. Qualities, state, action. Quality, state and action. The list of or the names of qualities, quality of person or things. So this is abstract noun. Abstract noun divided into 3: quality, state and action. We have to learn this one by one. So first is quality. quality of person or things. Example, गुणवाचक नाम किंवा गुणदर्शक नाम असंही त्याला म्हटलं जातं. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty. Kindness. Beauty. Bravery. These are the examples of quality or abstract noun which shows quality. Now the second type is action. Second is action. Abstract noun which shows action. Judgment. Example, judgment. Theft. Laughter. These are the examples of abstract noun which shows action. Now the last type of abstract noun is which shows state. Abstract noun which shows state. अवस्था, विशिष्ट अवस्था दर्शवणारे शब्द. Slavery. Examples, slavery, गुलामी. Poverty. Youth. पॉवर्टी म्हणजे गरिबी. यूथ, तारुण्यावस्था. चाइल्डहुड, बाल्यावस्था, etc. These are the examples of abstract noun which shows state. So friends, today we have studied the first part of speech, that is noun and the classification or types of noun. In the next video, we will see the another part, that is pronoun. Till then, be happy. Thank you so much.